This is Lynn Hall at OU.
Shading or something like that. I forget what it is exactly. It is, yeah. Goes backwards, only shining once per gallon.
That sounded kind of sus. But the door is like makes
The door,
no
the door's
noise.
not having any issues. What it was doing was it was staying open. It just like kind of started to try to close and then it wouldn't. It was
Yeah.
weird. I had to hold like the door closed button to actually get it to close.
I guess this is another American install.
Yes, I believe so. It's kind of cool. It's got that little anal like indicator.
Yeah, kind of like it.
It's kind of weird. It almost looks like it's like
Yeah.
I'm not a door driver, you know,
Yeah.
little rollers.
Mm-hmm.